And we have got a pick up today, you guys. As y'all can see, it's a Nike box.
What the fuck is we doing?
All right, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy, of course, Top Monty, and welcome back to my channel. So glad to see all you lovely faces here as well on this special occasion. Now today I have a Jordan pickup. This pickup was mandatory. No, this wasn't on a hit list, but I know y'all have seen the other two shoes that I have recently picked up as well. So these shoes wasn't on the hit list, but these was a mandatory cop. I have purchased the first pair of shoes in this exact same colorway, the exact same style in 2015. So that was 5 years ago. I had beat these shoes to shit. So I'm gonna show you those. I had picked these shoes up on a good, a heavenly steal. Now, these shoes came from Grail. These shoes was a 130 shipped, so it was 130 shipped. So I was like, okay, cool. That's a good little purchase. Actually, the shoes was, I think he said he could do 125, so it was a $5 shipping fee. So, you know, absolutely, I felt real good with this purchase. It was authentic. It was like a visual authentic on the shoe. Then also doing the comparisons from Sneakerhead in the Bay. Dang, like I'm gonna put his name right there because I don't want this video to be long. I just want to go ahead and just dive into the shoe. So I pulled up to my house after coming back from, you know, doing whatever. Man, the dude was right there, and I was walking up the steps. He's like, "Hey, are you going to blah blah blah?" I said, "Yeah, that's my building." He was like, "Oh, I got a package for you." I saw my shoes in this box right here. I said, "Yes, it is over with." I went ahead and just opened up the box. I know, I couldn't wait. I'm a whore for shoes, you guys. Like, I just couldn't wait. So I beat the other shoes to shit. These are a double pickup. This is the Jordan box right here as well. Boom. As you can see, it's the Jordan 3s right there. As I can see. Front, bottom. Now let's open it up. I know y'all like that. I know y'all like that, bro. I know y'all like that, bro. Go ahead, and I know y'all gonna like these. I know y'all gonna like these. Yeah, y'all probably already seen them, baby. Let me go ahead and set these bad boys up perfectly for you guys. I have got another pair of Jordan 3s, pair monies. I have got another pair, you guys. I'm so happy. These have been the cleanest pair. The leather on these are so smooth, and I also did a test. And these bad boys are legit as well. Like, it takes, like, they come right back up. The other ones, yes, not so much. But like I said, I have beat the mother shoes to shit. So I have got another pair of Jordan 3 pair monies, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. Like, look at the back, y'all. Look at the back. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yo, look at the other one. Pull this tab down. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah. But yeah, I have got a pair of Jordan 3 pair monies. So excited to have these shoes in my collection. Once again, very clean. Only thing that's bad about this pair of shoes is the midsoles cracking. I'm gonna just honestly just let these cracks and just mold. The bottoms of the shoe are honestly what sold me. Is perfectly intact, as you can see right here, perfectly intact. And I honestly, when I tell you guys, I love these shoes. I absolutely love these shoes and like how they are made. And honestly, this was a good pickup. Like, if you guys are looking for shoes, go on Grail, you can find you some good shoes for the low. But these have absolutely been, what I like to say, a good pickup. And I am going to love having these exact same shoes inside of my collection. So with that being said, this is your boy, of course, Top Monty. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys picked up. Like, did y'all pick up any shoes as well? Like, what did y'all pick up? And then before I go, let me show y'all the first pair of Jordan 3 pair monies that I have got. So these are the Jordan 3 pair monies that I got right here. Like I said, beat to the heavens gate. These shoes are beat and I mean beat. They're not gonna be beat like these, because these, I will keep these in the most mint condition as well. These shoes will be in mint condition, as you can see, like this. But if you compare the two, like, come on now, I'm not gonna treat them like this pair. Like, this pair was the pair that I absolutely wore summers, winters, rain, sleet, fall. And like, yeah, as you can tell, like, you cannot see through the air bubble. I had wore these shoes down, and yeah, these shoes will honestly be in my collection, just getting old and aging. But yeah, this your boy, of course, Ty Monty. 2015 pair and the 2020 pair 5 years ago. These shoes were released in these shoes were released May the 5th, May 27th, 07. That's when these shoes released. And yeah, this is right behind them, but I would not beat these shoes down. I'm probably gonna sell these shoes and see if I can get some money for them. And yeah, this your boy, of course, Ty Monty. I love you guys. Can't wait to see y'all in the next video. Peace.